mentally prepare ourselves for the G20 meeting. Dabolim Airport, which has served Goa for so long, and which is, I would say, one of the best airports of the Airport Authority of India, managed by them alongside the Navy. We want to see how things can improve further. If you look at it, they have spent a lot of money, and to further augment everything that is necessary to make a beautiful airport. You have seen the whole terminal also is being developed. I think that will be ready around September. Around September that will be ready, which also at the same time sends a very, very strong message that Dabolim, which has always catered to tourism in Goa, is going to continue, and whatever certain people express contrary views are having no substance at all. That also is the message that has to go. South Goa hoteliers are here. They wanted, in fact, to be in the know of things as to what is being done at Dabolim, because as you know, when tourists come, when people visit our state, planning is done by the tour operators much in advance, several months in advance, sometimes year in advance, as to what is going to be the place of the flight operation or Dabolim in that entire context. I think everyone is more than convinced